Yeah, I need to test the kill code. I forgot to mention that. So the new kill code, I've taken into account the changed name of the Mavlink client. So I'll close this um, detection file reader now. So then, so that I can implement the kill code and shut the Mavlink client down. So let's do that now. Go cancel. So now kill code, as you can see, the Mavlink client is still fine. There's nothing wrong with it. Just by stopping the reader, it doesn't affect it at all.
Steering flight mode.
As you can see, it's still doing steering flight mode,
Manual flight mode.
and simple flight
Simple
mode.
flight mode.
So, but when I run the kill code, all will be shut down. What's the spelling again? Mavlink. All right, that's the kill code. Go. Terminated everything.
Communication lost.